Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to crop image and round shape in Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to start this tutorial, open the Google Play Store. On your device, search for the application name Epic AI Photo Editor, and you have to download it. After downloading, open the app and tap on Continue. Inside the app, you'll find various editing tools. Some require payment, but the feature we'll be using is completely free, so no need to worry. Now we have to choose the cutout option and grant the necessary permissions. Then choose the photo you want to edit. You'll be redirected to the cutout section, where you can find a range of tools. Now we have to scroll left to find the cut shapes option, specifically the circle shape. Once selected, a red circle will appear on your chosen photo. You can resize and reposition it by dragging. Capture the entire picture within the red circle. Next, tap on the stroke option located at the bottom. The picture will transform into a circle. Confirm your selection by tapping the checkmark icon in the bottom right corner. When you're satisfied with the edit, click on the download button in the top right corner. Choose the download option, and you can save the edited image as PNG file, ready to be shared on various platforms. And that's all for now, folks. I hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.